The one secret to be the leader of an amazing life. You only live once, so you really should not waste time and enjoy life to the fullest. One of the best ways to learn is to study the behavior and philosophy of those who have led a successful life, or simply get the scoop in this tutorial. The one secret of being a leader of a fantastic life is to treat yourself as the person you deserve to be. Have you ever heard the advice, take care of yourself like you would your best friend? As lame as that sentence sounds, it makes perfect sense. You need to treat yourself the way you would treat your loved ones. One study has even shown that compassion toward yourself makes you happier than self-esteem. If all this is true, why do so many people find it hard to be friends with themselves? A person will always neglect his existence simply because he has always found himself insignificant or not significant. You can lead this amazing life once you treat yourself the same way a compassionate person would treat a friend. To lead an amazing life, you must first believe that you deserve one, and that you are good enough to create one. What would you tell a friend if they were asking for advice? You would probably try to convince them that they can. The same applies to you. Reflect on how you treat yourself. Do you tend to put others on a priority list, way ahead of your own needs? If so, it's time to be courageous and take the lead in your life. Being a leader means having the courage to make difficult decisions. That is one of those difficult decisions where you have to make yourself the choice. Choose to live a life where you are the leader. Don't let others dictate your life and your choices. When you learn to put yourself as a priority, you are shifting your perception of yourself from being not enough to being in your power. You somehow become a leader and remove yourself from the victim mindset. The victim mindset is a mindset where we see our life as a series of results that are imposed on us by our environment and others. When you treat yourself as the person you deserve to be, you become a leader of yourself and empower yourself to create what you want. You have the power to manifest all your wildest dreams, and no one can stop you, other than yourself, from doing so. You are the most critical person in your life, and you have to start aligning your behaviors and communication with that truth. Take the time to reflect on how you treat yourself and how you talk to yourself. Do you need to be kinder, more respectful, more compassionate toward yourself? A true leader can be vulnerable and accept that the old ways might no longer serve them to reach their goal. Be that leader and choose to lead yourself into a fantastic life by taking who you are, flaws and all, and place yourself on the VIP list. The reality is, if you don't do it, no one will do it for you, and only you can choose what your life will be like. Take that leap of faith today and put in action one thing today that will align with your self-respect and self-love. This action will be the beginning of your fantastic life.